Nakita naman natin ang ating mga kulungan, it's so inhuman. Tapos, with summary killings and extrajudicial killings, ang nangyayari, it's almost as if we allowed the death penalty, but without those people having the chance to defend themselves.
Going through the
So
process.
it's actually double whammy, it's worse. Di ba? So, that's why I had to also give some moral boost to the CHR. Some people who are impatient would probably say, pampagulo lang kayo. But we need that. And trust me, pag nawala yan, mas nakakatakot also for us. But I also had to remind, I thanked the PNP chief because I said, if there's anything that he was good at, he is a good communicator.
Yeah.
Naiintindihan siya ng ating mga kababayan eh. Initially, they were saying this human rights violations hearing would probably dent this administration. But because they had such an effective spokesperson who was saying, look, I really don't want to do this. I'm tired already. But
Yeah. We are
this
not
is the direction.
butchers.
Yes, exactly. People all the more like him. Diba? So sabi ko, you're a good communicator. Importante na intindihan ng tao kung anong ginagawa niya, nakasalalay sa balikat nila yan. Pero sabi ko nga, paalala rin, ang kapangyarihan nakakalinlang, di ba? Minsan, pagka sobra ka ng makapangyarihan, nakakalimutan mo na ang kapangyarihan ginagamit mas madalas dapat para depensahan ang mga walang laban.